Hello, in front of me I've got Vivo Y16. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay. Tap Get Started. And as you can see, from the homepage of this app, you can add payment method, manage your passes, and add new passes like loyalty, gift card and public transport. From the menu, you can manage all of your payment methods. You can check full list of participating banks. Check tutorial about how to pay. And your activity. In settings, you can enable or disable email updates, Gmail imports, personalization with Google Pay, purchase notifications, updates about your passes, offers and tips, and you can edit your account info. Next, you can go to contactless setup, which is unavailable because this phone doesn't have NFC. And in the end, you can check help and support, send feedback, and your Google account. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.